Core 2, June 2013, question 7. This is a sequences question, but we've got inductive definition, so the formula is not going to help you here. So, question 7. First of all, we've been given some information, and we've got to show that P is 2/3 in this formula. So here's P. Okay, well, we're going to use the information we've been given. What have we been given? Well, we've been told that the first two terms of the sequence are. So we know U1 is 96. Using the formula, we know U2 is going to be P times U1 plus Q. Okay. So that means we know U2 is 72, so we know 72 is 96P plus Q. Now there's one formula, but we've got two unknowns, so we're going to need another one. I've used this piece of information, so that must mean I'm going to be using the information on the limit. Now, when you get a limit of a sequence like this, that means the next term is exactly the same as the previous term. So when we get to the limit, then un plus 1 must be 24, and that will be exactly the same as un, the previous term. That would also be 24. So that means I can write that 24 is 24p plus q. I now have my simultaneous equations, which I can solve. In this case, I've got q and q, so I'm going to subtract them. If I subtract my two simultaneous equations, I get 48 is 72p. So that means p is 48 divided by 72, which is 2/3, as we required. Once we've shown that, part B asks us to find out what the third term is. Well, we know, looking at the formula, the third term is going to be P times the second term plus Q. So now we know what P is, we're going to need to find Q to work out the third term. Well, we know P is 2/3, so if we substitute that back, or you could use your calculator to solve these simultaneous equations, into the equation, we can work out that Q is 8. Now we know Q, I know the third term is P times the second term plus Q, so the third term must be 2/3 times the second term is 72 plus 8, so the third term is 56.